everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie, and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie. I'm unboxing a diamond painting from Craft Art Gifts, Diamond Heart Gifts. And the one I'm going to be unboxing today is a square drill, and this is what the image looks like. I don't know if they named it or if I named it. I can never remember. But I called this one Blue-Eyed Cat. And you know, I'm a cat lover, so most images with cats in it I end up getting. So, what you get in the kit, it came in a box, but it was with another diamond painting, which I unboxed already, and you can find that up in the eye, up here in the corner. And inside there were two diamond paintings rolled around each other, so I separated them, and I showed that one last week. And in this one, this one is a square, the other one was a round, but you do get the same kit, which is you get two diamond painting pens, you get two large pieces of wax, and look at how big those are. You get a MOSFA drill tray, which is the larger of the white drill trays. You get three multi-placers. You get a 3, a 6, and a 9. They are right there. Those are the old style. You get a baggie full of baggies. And you get a pen grip. So if you like to use these type of drill pens, it makes it easier more comfortable to hold for many hours. So, that's what you get in the kit. And if you wanted to, you could start diamond painting right away with just what you have here. You don't need anything special, fancy, anything else. This is basically all you need is a drill pen, your wax, and a tray. And you're good to go. Well, of course, in the kit with the drills. Alright. So, this one is a 50 by 40, and I'm not sure how many colors. It'll be on the inventory sheet, but here is our canvas, and it was rolled up in the box, so it was loosely rolled, so that's what I like. I find that the glue comes out best when it's loosely rolled inside the box. When they're tight, wound around a foam core, I end up getting bubbles and stress marks and all sorts of stuff on them. I'm looking here to see if we have any puckers, and from what I can see, it doesn't look like there's any puckers. You might have a bubble, but we'll find out in a minute. There was a place on here that looked like it might have got a little bit right in here, so we'll see in a minute. But see how it's all curled up? If you want to get them flat, this is what you do. And this has the key on this is the upper left corner, and it also has in the bottom right. I have it upside down right now. Let's do it this way. Alright, so we're going to get this canvas flat, and I'll show you the drill filled. And they do have DMC codes on them, on the colors. My daughter's hair is everywhere. Get it off of there before I expose the adhesive. Okay, you gotta just be very careful sometimes so you don't rip it or wrinkle the cover. It doesn't matter if you wrinkle the cover, but I kind of like them to be perfectly flat. And look at all of that confetti. Wow. Boy, is that a lot of confetti. Look at that. Look at that. So there's going to be a lot of color blending. And I see a couple of stress bubbles, but they don't look too huge. Yeah, they're on here, but they're not to the point. They're more like rivers. I mean, there's a couple of little tiny bubbles, and those are easy enough to get out. Yeah, they're not anything that will make your drills protrude up and pop off. They're not that major. And with the lighting, the way it reflects, it's kind of hard to see, but look at that. That is such a beautiful, big blue eye. Oh, what a beautiful kitty. Now let's look at the drill field. So you can see. Nice, clear symbols. And you can see where those little tiny bubbles are. Right there. Right in the middle there. But yeah, look at those symbols. They are really clear. Nicely printed. Alright, so I'm going to cover this side back up, and then we will get it completely flattened by opening up the other side. So I've started getting squares a little bit more often, because I used to do squares only, and then I discovered how much I love doing rounds. But now it's like I will do squares if I feel like something needs the definition of that extra, oh, what is it? If something has a lot of detail, I'll go with the squares just because I feel that it gives it more depth when you do a square. So you can see how this side is flat and this side is still curved. That's what taking the cover off and replacing it does, is it will flatten it for you. But it can be a pain to deal with. But that's the one thing about the double-sided adhesive that you do have to take care of, is getting your canvas flat. It's best to store them flat. Oh, see, I just ripped it. Just a little bit. But yeah, it's best to keep them stored flat so that you have less likely to get big old bubbles in it after it's been stored for a while. So there is the other eye. Look at that. I know it's upside down, but and I'm only seeing the same thing. I see very few stress bubbles on this one, on this side, mainly right here in the middle. You can kind of see it too. But there is that full canvas. I like that. I'm weird. I like that smell. It's like a plastic smell type odor. But it's just like, when I was a kid, I liked the smell of when we'd go to the gas station. I just liked the smell of the gasoline. It was weird, I know. I like things weird sometimes, but... Alright, so there is our canvas, 55 by 40. What did I say? Yeah, I said 55 by 40. It says 35 colors. Maybe I found a place that said how many colors there are. This one costs $36.95. And I will link it down below in the description box for you. So this is just barely under 55. And going this direction, we have it's right at 40. Yeah, 40 by 55. That is very accurate. So this is my tilted lap table, and I mean it goes over the top a little bit, but it's a perfect size width-wise for working on a table like this. Even when they're bigger, I find ways to make it work. So let's look at these drills and the symbols that we got. And it does appear that they double checked the inventory on these, because I've not found one that was missing any drills as of yet. And I think this is the fourth one I've unboxed from this company. And you can see here that they've checked it off twice. One in red and one in green. Alright, so we have a lot of the one color. You get a lot of this one color that's in the background, because as you can see, this is a very white based image. It's got some purples, but that background color we're going to have a ton of. looks to be like we have 28 bags of 819, which is a flesh color, like a peach color, and then 19 bags of 3072, looks like a tan, really light tan, and then 17 bags of 3756, which is an off-white color. So I'm going to go through and make sure all the drills are here, and then I will be right back. Alright, as usual, everything is accounted for. Now, I don't remember what I said the 819 was, but for those that are familiar with DMC codes, it's more of a pinkish color. I don't know if I remember it correctly, but this is the 819. It looks more pale in the video, in the camera, than it is in person, but it's actually a little bit brighter than what you can see there, but there's a lot of this color. This is the one with the most, with 28 bags. And as you can see here, it's, you know, there's a lot of whitish colors for the background. The cat itself is white with some, you know, it's a calico, so there are several different colors in this, the fur colors, but the background has some purple splashes with blue, and that's where you're going to get the colors that are in this kit. So you've got quite a few blue colors and different pinks. We've got different pinks and purples, and then we got a lot of browns and greens. This I'm thinking is going to be part of the background, or might be part of the fur. I'm not sure for certain. And then there's this, has a lot too, so I'm thinking background color as well, but then again, it might be the darker spots on the cat, so it's hard to say. But there we go with all our colors, and there are actually 44 colors. I don't know how I got the number 35. I must have written it wrong or looked at it wrong or something, but it's nice that they give you the inventory sheet. That way you can double check to make sure you have all your packages. It's got your key on here, so you can make a copy of it and make stickers out of it to put on your whatever you kit it up onto. I use my Xyron machine and make stickers out of them. Works perfect. And that would be it for this diamond painting. And yeah, I give you all the information. So there you go. I hope you liked this unboxing. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And if you have any questions, I will do my best to answer them for you. And if you could give me a like, thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't, because it helps me spread the word and to get to other people and let them know about this wonderful habit, or craft, I should say. So you ring that bell if you want to be notified of me posting new videos like this, or when I go live. So I will see you guys in my next video. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.